welcome back to our live video show. Now we start to introduce another hot sale products, printing machine storage rack to you. That the back one is 3 tails, the front one is 2 tails. They are all poster diameter 19, and the top shelf is MDF board, thickness is 18. We have different colors for your choice. This one is white frame with light yellow top, and that one is all black. And this one is gray top board, and the frame is silver gray. And this one is all black. Now the black color, the black printing machine is very popular on e-commerce market, such as Amazon and Walmart.com. Very popular items for these two. And so now we check their size. This one, the size is 56 by 46, and small one is 41 by 61. The height, the big one is 67, and this one is 38. So if you like this, if you want two items, these 4 items, please tell us what colors would you want and what size would you want. They are their item number, and we have different colors for your choice. This is our current MDF colors, and for other colors we also can produce. And besides that, the loading weight for each layer is 40 kilo. Now our sales is helped me to make the loading test for the 3 shelf. Each layer 40 kilo. And the big one is mainly used beside the office table. And small one is mostly used under the office table. All this trolley now with wheels, but if you like no wheels, we also can do. And if no wheels, the rack is more stable. Now we check that the loading test. The top MDF board is no problem to load 40 kilo. Add 10 kilo more, because this shelf, our loading test is based on 40 kilo. Now you will see that our shelf is strong enough to load the 40 kilo on the wooden board and 40 kilo on the shelf, and we can start to move. And if you like our printing machine storage trolley, please tell us the item number CJB1541. And for this 4 items for different color, and tell us the item number and the colors you want.